welcome to PyTroops. Friends, when you are talking about any software, then you must think about the GUI, Graphical User Interface. GUI help your customer to understand the software and make it much easy to use. Python is the most popular programming language nowadays and it comes with a library Tkinter. Tkinter is used to create GUIs. In today's video, we are going to discuss GUI, Tkinter, and in future we will complete the series. So, let's get started. So friends, here is the document of Python on Tkinter. I will provide the link in description. You can also study it. Friends, I am using PyCharm here because PyCharm is very feasible to me. You can also use Jupyter Notebook, IDLE or Visual Studio, whatever you want. So if you want to check your Tkinter works properly or not, just go to your terminal and write the command Python -m Tkinter. If this type of window is appear, then it means your Tkinter works properly. Otherwise, just go to the link I provide in the description and sort out the issue. So, let's start by importing Tkinter module. From Tkinter, import static. Now we have to take any variable. I am taking window. Window is equal to Tk. This line will create your main window. After that, you have to write window dot main loop. This main loop is the instance of Tk and will continuously run your program. So let's just run the program. Here is our main window. Now, if I comment this line and run the program, then your window destroy immediately, like it never appears. Let's see by run the program. So, as you can see by running the program, nothing happened. So, this main loop is necessary to run the program continuously. So friends, you can see Tk as a title of your window. So you can also change it. You have to write window dot title. Here write the title of your window. Let's say PyTroops. Okay, now just run the program. So here your window title is appeared. Wait, I think my window size is very small. So friends, you can also change the size of your window by write a line window dot geometry and here to give this size, let's say 700 by 700. Now if you run the program, so your window will be appear in the size of 700 by 700. Just like this. So friends, if you don't like that grayish color on your window, so you can also change this color. Just write window dot configure and in the argument you have to pass background is equal to write the color you want, let's say yellow. If we run the program, so here is your window with yellow color. Now it looks much better. Now if you want label on your window, so you can also do it. Just take any variable, let's say label1 is equal to label. This is the function of Tkinter. Now where you want your label? Definitely on your window. So write window comma text is equal to write any text which will be displayed as your label. Let's say hello world. Now there are two things we can do, pack or grid. Let's use pack first. So after your label, write dot pack. So this pack will place your label at the center of the window. Let's just run the program. So as you can see, your label at the center of the window. I think the size of the label is quite small. So you can also change font style, size by pass another argument in label, that is font is equal to let's say we want fountain times, and its size should be, let's say, 20, and we also want bold. So let's run the program, and here is our label is now in times style, size is also increased, and the bold effect is also enabled. So you can make it italic and underline by just write italic, underline. Now just run the program and sure, perfect. See, one thing I noticed here, it looks very weird, that grayish part on which black text is placed. So we can also sort it out by pass argument bg. Bg is for background color, so bg is equals to yellow. Now if we run the program, bingo, perfect. Now it looks good. But you can also change your text color by pass another argument fg. Fg is equals to, let's say, blue. Now run the program, and yes, works perfectly fine. So now make another label. Just copy this one and paste it here. Change it to label 2 and change text to welcome to PyTroops and tag it as well. Run the program and see, we have both the labels in the center of the window. Okay, so now if you want your label at any specific position like here or here, so you can use grid instead of spec. Just write grid. Here you have to pass two arguments, row and column. Let's say row is equals to 0, column is equals to 0 as well. Similarly, in second label, write grid, row is equals to 1 and column is equals to 0. Now if we run the program, so hopefully you understand how it works. If you take same row and column for both the labels, then second one override the first one. Let's just quickly do it. Take all the rows and columns to 0 and just run the program. So that's how it works. The second one overrides the first one. So hopefully friends, you understand what is Tkinter and how to use it. We will continue this series in future, and in next video we will discuss about buttons. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications whenever PyTroops family upload any video. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I will provide the link in description. Thanks for watching.